After successful login, first we have a home dashboard which includes site, system, notifications, sample data, logged in users, recently added articles, latest actions, and popular articles privacy dashboard. To the left side we have a menu bar which can be toggled by using the toggle menu button to expand the screen area of your website administration. In the content menu, we have articles, categories, fields, feature articles, field groups, media, SAD and admin modules, all the things you need to build your contents. In menus, we can manage website menus and menu items. Components list all installed components in our system. Core ones like banners or contact and third-party extensions. In users, we can manage our users, user groups, etc., their access levels, and custom field during the registration of users. We have privacy and user action logs. Similarly, we can set up mass mail for that users that is going to be registered. Under the system, we will find all the function we need to manage Joomla global configuration, under the setup menu, cache, plugins, warnings, install, update, etc. Something I like is the plus symbol next to some menu item, articles, categories, modules. They enable you to directly create a new article or category or module. The whole dashboard is responsive. The menu collapses automatically on smaller devices and the menu changes to bottom position in mobile. But you can also collapse the menu manually by clicking on the toggle menu switcher. Let me show you on mobile view how it looks over the mobile. So this is the mobile view and the main buttons are in the bottom of a website. So back to the website. Here you will find a small Windows icon button. When I click on it, it shows that menu dashboard. Currently under the content menu, we have article, categories, feature article. This is the same link as we can see under the content menu. And the content setting, we have fields and field groups. These are available in the content menu. So and lastly we have modules and media include the media link side modules and administrator modules which is available in the content menu. I can also add a module to dashboard by clicking on the add module. Here we have different module types. We can select any module. Each module has a description and we can set the position and give some title and it will be then added to this dashboard of that particular menu. So that was a third chapter of this course in which I give you an overview of dashboard of Joomla administration.